How to fix there was a problem with your request on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix there was a problem with your request on Instagram. So if you are facing the problem, I have the solution. So what you have to do is, please make sure that your internet connection is on and the server is not low. So guys, after this you have to go to your phone settings, and go to install apps or app management or anything you have in your phone. So I have app management. I will go to app management and then search for Instagram. Here is it. Go to Instagram and then guys, you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and you have to stop the force here. You can see in the red color. You have to click on force stop and then you can see here storage uses. Click on storage uses and you have to clear all the data here and also the cache. So go back and you can see here permissions. Just click on permissions and then you have to allow all this permission here. So I have already allowed the permission and you have to allow all the permission here. Now the next thing is you have to go to your Google Play Store. If the problem doesn't work, then go to Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. Now you can see here Instagram is asking for an update, so you have to update your Instagram. So just update your Instagram and then your problem will be solved. So if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is uninstall your application Instagram apps and then reinstall it, and you can login it and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.